Hey, Pete Stege here from B2B Clarity. Product-based businesses where their primary offering is a physical thing that their customers are using, have a particular challenge these days. Global competition makes it very difficult to stand out with the capabilities of your product, and manufacturing capability overall has improved, so there's less differentiation. And on top of that, information gets everywhere, so it's really hard to prevent comparisons that reduce your price and risk turning you into a commodity. Right? We all know about this. I'm going to suggest you try a different tack. Rather than furiously focusing on talking about your product, talk about the people behind the product and in front of the product. What do I mean? Tell the stories of your employees and what they do to bring your product to life. Tell the stories of your customers that use your product and the things they're able to do with that product that change their life in a much bigger way than the specifications of your product. There's 3 reasons this is going to help your business. 1, it changes the story from facts and information to meaning, purpose. Why does the product exist? Why does the company exist? What do your customers get to achieve when they use your product? This meaning level is much stronger and much more attractive to your clients. Now you might say, oh, I sell nuts and bolts or some other transactional device. I'm not really talking about that as much as I am a more B2B relationship-based physical product. Something that they want to buy over and over again. And in that case, the relationship is as important as the product, which is my next point. You create new connection when you talk about the people on either side of the product. And relationships are really the glue that makes your business and your revenue work. And finally, your product, no matter how reliable it is, may wear out, may be consumed, it may be replaced by a newer version. Who knows? It's transitory by its very nature. Relationships last. A business that's developed trust with a customer, that trust transcends any particular product. And as a B2B business, that's what you really want. You want a relationship that spans beyond a specific product and gets credit for value beyond what the facts and figures of that product are. So I hope you consider putting your people and your customers' people ahead of your products when you communicate the value you can provide. I'd love to talk more about this with you. Reach out to me. You can get me on my website or on LinkedIn.